Hi guys, hopefully you enjoyed your day off yesterday. We spent the past 2 days learning about the political part of United States, Canada, Mexico, and today we're going to move on to economics. So you're going to click on the Google slide, and again, this is going to cover all three countries. And so we have economic systems of United States, Canada, and Mexico. If you need a review, there's that video I showed you at the very beginning of the year. You can go ahead and click on that. We showed you this slide on the 4 different systems: free enterprise, socialist, communist command, or a traditional economy. If you don't remember what they were, you can go back and look at your notes, or if you didn't take notes, please do so now so that you can see that. So here's a description of each economy. Read this, make sure you're understanding it because they kind of seem like they're similar, and the economy is always changing. And so on this following map right here, Canada used to be a slightly shade darker, but now we're the same color. So now we've showed you political freedom scores, which was yesterday. Now if you click here, it's going to take you to an economic freedom score. So political was about your rights and your what you're entitled to. And now this is going to talk about money. And so if you see this map, can I move? There we go. And so if you see green, you want to be in the darker green, not in the red. Sorry. Same thing. You hover, you move around. So we have Canada. You click on Canada. It just changes the color. It doesn't really give you an idea. So let me see. Select the year. All right. Let's try this one. Algeria. Okay, so this is an interactive heat map. So you're going to move this dot that's on a timeline. You can move it to whatever year you want, but we're going to go to 1995. But we're going to only focus right here, North America continent. And you can still see these continents over here. The way I was able to make these all gray was I just focused on the Americas, and it changed. There we go. It just focused on this part of the world. So you're going to hit play, and as you hit play, it's going to start changing the colors. And like I said, it's always changing based on how the country is doing. See, now they have red, and this is getting orange. This is different than Canada. Now they're both the same. This is lighter now, and then now they're the same color. And then it keeps changing. So see, it went real quick to dark green and then went back to the light green. So things are constantly changing. And if you want to see, oops, I zoomed in, sorry. The world, right? We do the world. Put this all the way back. Hit play. Wow, some of these countries didn't even have a color. Oh, red, orange. You can see how they're changing back to red. And you're just looking at how it's changed over, 25 years. And so it's always going to continue changing no matter what. So that is the economic freedom score. And then we talked about the spectrum. So we had free enterprise capitalist on the left, that's the least government controlled, versus the most. And so based on our research, it's kind of difficult to put these in exact order, but we can safe to say that the United States is going to be the closest to the least government, and it's going to be Mexico and Canada are kind of about the same. All right, these two countries should not be in front of the United States. The United States should be all the way over here, and then these two countries right around there. Put those back. There we go. And so now we have NAFTA and USMCA, which is North America Free Trade Agreement. So it came into effect on January 1st in 1994 under the Bush administration, which was a president. And the goal was to promote trade between the United States, Canada, and Mexico. And it wanted to eliminate most tariffs between the 3 countries. And so we'll go over what a tariff is in just a minute. United States, Mexico, Canada agreement was actually just this past summer, 2020, under the Trump, which replaced NAFTA. So it used to be called NAFTA, now it's USMCA, United States, Mexico, Canada agreement. So what is a tariff, right? A tariff is a tax or duty to be paid on a particular class of imports or exports. So something coming between United States, Canada, Mexico, they used to have to pay this tax or a duty to import or export those things. And so right here we have country A. The towel made in country A cost $12. But that towel was made in country B and it cost $10. So country B towel sells for $12 in country A. It's the exact same towel, but you have to add a tariff, which is a tax, and they're adding $2 for that. And so something you, like, I know in Mexico, if I go buy stuff, it's like way cheaper than buying it here in the United States. And then you're going to watch a video right here. Sorry. So what were the unintended consequences of NAFTA? So what negative impact or result did it have, which is at this time in the video? And then 2, which do you feel is more important? Keeping prices low for consumers or creating United States jobs? And how are both of them connected?